What's good, guys? Welcome back to S.D'signs. If you're new, hi, I'm Saleh and welcome to S.D'signs. This video is a tutorial. As you guys can see from the title, we're changing a PNG file to SVG. If you guys don't know what that means, you can look in the description box. I'll put what that means and whatever. My aim is to ensure that you guys know enough about this software so y'all can get creative too, with or without my help. Also, for all business inquiries, you guys can DM me on Instagram or you guys can email me. My email and IG are going to be in the description box below. Anyways, my chat enough, so now let's get into the video.